Hey guys, it's Wes from Animation Toolkit. Welcome back, and today we are talking about tie downs. So if you've recently purchased an Animation Toolkit product, you will notice, I say product, an armature or a foot product of some kind, some type, you will notice that there are threaded screw holes in each of the feet or the toes. And that's so we can tie the armature down to a set. But that's not the only way of tying down. So we're talking about two methods today. So that's the screw version, and we also have a magnetic version too. So the Animation Toolkit products, or the feet in particular, are all made of a magnetic steel. In most cases, it's a mild steel, but in some cases, it's a magnetic stainless steel. It's 316. No, it's not. 416. Who cares what it is? It's a magnetic stainless steel. But the most important thing is that you can use a magnet or a super magnet or a studio magnet to tie that puppet down to set. And I'm going to demonstrate how these two techniques work. So here is our puppet. I've got a really squeaky floorboard here. I'm going to have to fix that. So it sounds like I'm on a ship. Right, so here's our puppet. Oh, there's a bit of wobble. Here's our puppet. So this puppet is in a dynamic pose, and we're thinking, obviously we're moving through a sequence of animation, and we need our puppet to be tied to that set as tight as possible so it doesn't move. Okay, so the first way to do it is introducing, these are available from Animation Toolkit. There's a link somewhere down here probably. These are our threaded thumb screws, and we stock these threaded thumb screws that work with all of our armature sets to tie them down. These are milled in aluminium specially for us, and we've had them all color coded. So if you purchase something from Animation Toolkit, if you purchase this particular product from Animation Toolkit, the color selection can be random, but we will always try our best to send, if you purchase more than one set, we'll always send two different colors, and that's so you can identify the feet of your different puppets from underneath the set. So in this particular circumstance, this is our world famous Voodoo Armature. He's in a dynamic pose, and he's currently tied down to the set with these tiny but brilliant thumb screws. So that thumb screw is currently keeping our puppet upright. This is an Animation Toolkit set top, so this is one of our stages, and the bonus of a stage, whether you buy it from Animation Toolkit or not, is that they've got a perforated steel top. So if you're building your own stage, then always go for steel, and if you can afford it, a perforated steel top. Now in this day and age, with the current global situations, not to bang on about that, but perforated steel has massively gone up in price. So the option's this: if you can't afford the perforated steel and you don't want to use the threaded thumb screws, then the easiest, and I think the best option, is to use super magnets. So these fellas, guys, are pretty big and they are pretty chunky, and not, what's the word? Well, they are strong. Super magnets are super strong. Now be careful, like word of warning, when you're using these guys, just watch your fingers and bits of skin, because if they accidentally clip together, now these two won't because they're opposing. I think we try to sell these always opposing so they don't clip together. It's a health and safety thing. If they are attracted to each other like so, they are very likely to trap a little bit of skin. You can always tell an animator in studio because they've got blood blisters all over the fingers, and that's because the studio magnets are trapping those little pieces of skin. So these are capable of lifting over 20 kilos of weight. These are super strong. We have them specifically manufactured for Animation Toolkit. These are not off the shelf type of thing that you can go to any neodymium supplier for. We have these manufactured specifically for stop motion animation. And what I love about these is obviously the finger and thumb handle, or the grip, so you can pull them on and off set as and when you need to. So if the screwed method isn't working for you, all you do is simply unscrew the puppet or not use it at all if you're using a flat piece of sheet steel. And as I show you now, that puppet is now fully magnetized to the set, so we can get a really big range of dynamic movement from our puppet, simply held into place with that super magnet. As I say, super magnets are available from Animation Toolkit, and we do manufacture these specifically for this use because they come with that brilliant feature, which is that thumb grip, so you can pull them on and off of set. So check them out, guys, but they're the two main methods of securing your puppet or tying your puppet down to set. Guys, as always, I've been Wes for Animation Toolkit. It's been a pleasure introducing you to or showing you how studio tie downs work. Guys, I will see you. Wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see more of these videos from us. Guys, I've been Wes from Animation Toolkit, and I will see you on the next one.